Alright, Old Man Reviews here. This is my walkthrough of Spider-Man for Nintendo 64. And in this scene, my wife has been kidnapped by Venom because Venom feels that I have wronged him. And so I have to chase him. So, pretty straightforward level, just a lot of running and jumping and fast swinging. If he gets too far away, he calls you a slowpoke and you lose. Oh, down here there is a one of those special suits and a comic book, and he hops around in here a little bit, and you just a lot of swinging and jumping. And if you know the path that you should be taking, you can actually get to some of the tops of the buildings before he does, which can be helpful with that.
Look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Get out of my way, nerd. Watch that first step, Park. It's a doozy.
Ow, my head! Oh, toe, ow!
Look out, lady.
Oh my goodness!
Oh, sorry, lady. Didn't see a thing.
Can't lose him!
Alright, I am calling shenanigans on this. There's no way I'm stuck to this pole like this. That is just not feasible for me to be stuck like this.
Slowpoke. If you want to fight, follow me.